way.
Tyler Lofa la tua. Wata toa lia maile ne aso. If I pitoa motama olelalangi. Our program today is divided in 3 parts. Vaenga mua otama fa lelalangi. Earthly fathers. Ma vaenga lua otama will fai ilangi le folanga. Fathers who passed on. Mavaenga tolu, olota totama ilalangi. Our Heavenly Father. Yeah. Usila mai mau malasila sila.
Hey. Oh. Hey, this for my daddy's in here. Your daddy a 1, 2, 3, it's all for you. Hey, hey, hey.
What, John rapping? What?
First off, I want to...
Hey.
First off, I want to say that I'm proud of my daddy. Bro, this time.
Come on, Suave.
First off, I'm saying I'm proud of my...
Yeah. Hey. Oh.
You guys. First off, I'm saying I'm proud of my daddy.
said I love my dad.
First off, I'm saying I'm proud of my daddy. What kind of 21-year-old to call his daddy? Well, that's me, and I'm saying it proudly. Would never raise my voice up to him because I knew it him badly. I learned from experience, but trust me, he's a wonderful guy who tells really good jokes to spit to your eyes. He loves me and all my siblings. He always fixing stuff around the house. Sometimes it don't need fixing. But y'all, I love my dad for making all the food that be making me fat. For molding me into the man that I am, for giving me some money even though he knew it's his last. But that's how he is, and that's what I love. A man like that with most death sent from above. A man like that deserves all my kisses and hugs. And for that I want to thank the big man up above, because I love my daddy.
Hey, I love my dad. I love my dad because he takes care of me. He puts food on the table for the family.
Because I love my dad.
A preacher man, and he keeps telling me to do in school and to be what I want to be.
Because I love my daddy.
Hey, I love my dad.
I said I love my daddy.
Hey,
I love my dad.
Check it. Yo, I love my daddy.
hey, I love my dad.
I said I love my daddy.
Hey, I love my dad.